How to update Lyft app to the latest version. Want to make sure your Lyft app runs smoothly? Keeping it updated is the key. To update the Lyft app, head over to your Google Play Store, search for Lyft, and if there's an update available, you'll see the update button. Tap on it and wait for it to finish installing. Once the update is complete, open the app and you are good to go with the latest feature and fixes. If you don't see an update but think your app is outdated, try refreshing the store page or clearing the store's cache. Enable auto updates for Lyft in your Play Store settings so you never miss an important fix. Do you manually update your apps or let them auto update? Tell us in the comments below. And that's how you can update Lyft app to the latest version. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.